Okay guys, what is going on? So, I have a Rubik's Cube, Pyraminx, something like that. And, I can solve this, relatively quickly, I guess. What was I gonna say? The regular cube is actually, I think, I think I've heard people say that this is an easier, or no, the regular cube is the easier one. This is the harder one. And, I have a regular cube, and, I still haven't been able to solve that one yet, so. I'm, like, trying to eat a sucker while doing this, so. Alright. Let me scramble it up real quick. Alright. So. Alright. Let me just. Alright. Alright. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. If you guys can't see very well, I'm sorry about that. I just, it's kind of hard to do it to where I can see, and you can also see, so. Done. So guys, I'm not sure how long that was. I'm gonna assume it was under a minute. I don't know, I'll look back at it though. But yeah. So I can solve these pretty relatively fast, I guess. I mean, I've solved them in like 30 seconds, 23 seconds and all that stuff, but I wasn't recording and like sitting over here with the camera down there on the Rubik's Cube hanging out here. I just couldn't really think of any way to record it. But yeah. Anyways guys, real quick, just want to show you working on something. Yeah, I don't know when that'll be out, but yeah, so that's it for this video guys, and peace.